Should you use LegalZoom to incorporate your business? Well, that kind of depends. First, you need to understand exactly what LegalZoom is. By their own description, LegalZoom is an online legal portal to give you, the visitor, a general understanding of the law, and they provide you an automated solution to those people who want to prepare their own legal documents. Essentially, they will give you a simple legal form, one that's fill in the blank. You type in your name and address, you print out the form, and you use it. If it works for your situation, you're in luck. If it doesn't work in your situation, you're out of luck. The only problem with that is that you don't find out until the document's failed. Now, am I just sort of making this up out of thin air, or am I getting this from a real source? And I would suggest to you that I'm getting it from a real source. And the real source is the LegalZoom site itself. First, they take you to the home page where they entice you with the idea that you're going to get a personalized, affordable legal solution. Well, it's personalized because you're the one who's filling in the blanks. It's affordable because they're offering these fill-in-the-blanks forms to you for as little as $99. And of course, the legal protection, I think, is sort of up to debate. Now, whether or not you're actually getting what you have bargained for, you need to figure that out by going to what they call the terms of use. If you click on this link, it will take you to this page, which is the beginning of about 12 pages of legal exclusions and waivers and fine print as to what they will and will not do for you. What you really need to understand is, first, they will do the simple stuff. They'll review your answers to make sure that it's complete for spelling and internal consistency of names and addresses and the like. What they won't do is this. They won't review your answers for legal sufficiency, draw legal conclusions, provide legal advice, opinions, or recommendations about your legal rights, remedies, defenses, options, selection of forms or strategies, or apply the law to the facts of your particular case. In essence, they're doing nothing for you. Why is that? Well, it's because they're not a law firm. They're required by law to inform you of this. More importantly, they may not perform the services performed by an attorney. So essentially, all they can do is be a legal document preparation service, providing a simple fill-in-the-blank form, and you are, in essence, your own lawyer. They will further tell you that LegalZoom and its services are not the substitutes for the advice of an attorney. And lastly, they tell you that we're going to do our best to keep the legal documents accurate, current, and up to date. However, as they recognize, the law changes rapidly, and so they're telling you that they can't guarantee that the information on the site is completely current. Furthermore, the legal information contained on the site is not legal advice and is not guaranteed to be correct, complete, or up to date. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put your personal assets, your family at risk by using fill-in-the-blank forms that have no guarantees. You have no idea whether or not they're correct, complete, or up to date. So what's my advice? My advice is to tell you what they ultimately tell you on the site themselves, and that is this. If you need legal advice for your problem, or if your specific problem is too complex to be addressed by their tools, you should consult a licensed attorney in your area. That's the best thing that this site does for you. Unfortunately, it's buried in the terms and conditions, so take it upon yourself that if you're going to use this site, or furthermore encourage somebody else that you care about to use the site, spend some time in the terms and conditions, in the terms of use, and understand what you're getting. I would submit to you it's not what you think you've bargained for.